Hello. So after setting up the survey and launching it, let's move to the next step, which is reconciliation. So in the surveys tab, you can find the reconciliation section in which you can review and reconcile your survey completes. So in the reconciliation tab, you can either download an Excel file or a CSV file. In the Excel file, you have to place each ID in one single row and keep the first row empty. And the file size should be 1 MB or less than 1 MB. After making changes to the file, you can upload the file and then select the reconciliation type. If the reconciliation type is filled with approved completed IDs, you can mark the rest of the completed IDs as rejected. And if it is filled with rejected completed IDs, you can mark the rest of the completed IDs as approved. Continue. In this section, you can review the number of total IDs completed, number of total IDs approved, and the number of total IDs rejected. So currently, if the total number of completed IDs is 50, and among which 30 IDs are approved, during reconciliation you will see a option which is mark the rest as rejected. So if you tick that checkbox, the IDs will be rejected. If not, those IDs will be moved to the status of non-reconciled. In the case of upload summary, the total number of IDs uploaded is 50. Among those which match with our database is 30. So the IDs which match with our database will be considered as approved and rest will be considered as rejected IDs. Let me walk you through how reconciliation works across different scenarios. Scenario 1. Unchecked and approved. If the user doesn't check any boxes but proceeds with approval, all the matched IDs will be considered as approved IDs. Scenario 2. Unchecked and rejected. If the user doesn't check any boxes and proceeds with rejection, all the matched IDs will be considered as rejected IDs. Scenario 3. Checked and approved. If the user ticks the checkbox and selects approval, the total number of matched IDs will be considered as approved, while the rest of the IDs will be considered as rejected IDs. Scenario 4. Checked and rejected. In this, if the user ticks the checkbox and selects rejection, the matched IDs will be considered as rejected IDs and the rest will be considered as approved IDs. For second reconciliation, we have uploaded 60 new IDs. From the previous step, 40 IDs are already approved, 10 IDs remain non-reconciled. Out of the new upload, 10 IDs match with the remaining unconciled IDs. In the current scenario, all the 10 matched IDs are approved while the remaining becomes fully reconciled. Scenario 6. Unchecked and rejected. In this, all 10 matched IDs are rejected, so there are no new approved IDs. Scenario 7. Checked and approved. With the checkbox selection, 10 IDs are approved, so there are no rejected IDs. Scenario 8. Checked and rejected. With the checkbox selection, 10 IDs are rejected, so there are no approved IDs. After reviewing the current status and the upload summary, and before approving the reconciliation, you can also upload a new file as well. After reviewing the current status and the upload summary, you can approve the reconciliation. As you can see, the reconciliation have been uploaded. Congratulations! After reconciliation, you have successfully completed your step-by-step research journey. From setup to launch and closure, Mirats Quanto DIY enables you to manage it all with confidence and control. Thank you for choosing Mirats Quanto DIY.